Hi, I am Divyaja from Quinco. Today, I'll take you through how you can create your services in Quinco. So, this is what your dashboard looks like. You can click on My Services. Here, you can manually create your session, course, webinar, community, or even add a digital or a physical product that you would like to sell. Let's see how we can add a session. We'll go to Create Session, give you a session title, description, what will participants gain. Now, if you would like to automate this process, you can go to Generate with AI. Here, you can give your input for the session. Let's say I want to create a session on fat loss for working professionals. Now, start generating. So, I've got a session on fat loss strategies for busy professionals, descriptions, what will the participants gain out of it. Now, if I would like to go ahead with this, I can go and publish this session. Now, if you would like to leverage your session creation using AI, you can go for AI Market Insights. So here, you will be getting what is trending in the industry in your expertise. So there are many options you can choose from. And if you want to publish the same as your own course, you can go to Create Course and you can even create a webinar out of it. Now, let's say you have an idea in mind but do not have the time to curate the content for it. You can go to AI Service Builder and here you can choose your expertise. Let's say diet and nutrition. We'll choose a target audience, the service type, any outcome that I would want to deliver, how do I want to price it, and any extra details that you would like to add, and then generate services. Now, the AI tool has given me recommendations like a webinar and a course on it. I can go through the content and finally create on webinar